You want to make YouTube videos, but you're not sure if you want to show your face. Maybe you're just kind of shy, maybe you have concerns about privacy, or maybe you just don't have a good camera.
Hey, what's up guys, your boy Shikibu, and in this video I'm going to be explaining how you're going to be creating a faceless YouTube channel. And also guys, I'm not the only one that's going to be sharing the knowledge here, but I'm also going to be including videos from professionals that have tried this out and gotten a lot of results from this. So I'm going to be sharing their videos too. And also I have a bonus pack for you at the end of the lecture, so you can stick with me to the very end of the lecture so as to get this.
You don't want to miss out on this incredible opportunity that is here on YouTube to make a living doing something fun and creative.
And so guys, I know a lot of us probably know what the Faceless YouTube channel is all about, and also the opportunities we get while using the Faceless YouTube channel over the Face YouTube channel. But for the newbies, I'm going to be showing you a video now that properly explains the opportunities we get while using the Faceless YouTube channel over the Face YouTube channel. So guys, check this video out.
The next question is, who is YouTube automation for? Well, it's for students who would want to start an online business from scratch with no previous experience and potentially without investing any significant amount of money. It's for anyone who maybe already has a business already but would want to scale with YouTube automation, because YouTube automation is literally the best way to drive traffic, grow your brand, and grow your business. Even if you have an offline business like a physical business, this will be perfect to grow with, and I will explain to you exactly how. And it's just for anyone who would want to make money online, for anyone who might have never made any money online before and just wants to experience what it is like to make money from your laptop, from your computer, or from your phone, wherever you are, because YouTube automation actually works worldwide, and it doesn't matter where you are coming from, you can still do it, and there are no age restrictions or whatsoever. You can do it if you're 15 and you can do it if you're 85. It doesn't really matter. And as I said, it works worldwide. As long as you have access to the internet and to YouTube, you'll be able to do YouTube automation. And if you're watching this video, which is on YouTube, and that just means that you do have internet and you do have YouTube, which means you would be a perfect fit for this business model.
With all of that said, I know you guys now understand what the Faceless YouTube channel is all about and the opportunities you get when using the Faceless YouTube channel over the Face YouTube channel. So guys, now I'm going to be showing you 5 different tools you are going to be using or needing in order to create your Faceless YouTube channel.